Drop it.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate nested if. Here's the syntax. First is we're going to have if and then condition 1. If this is true, then we have another set of if-else statement here. Then we validate. If condition 2 is true, we execute this line of code, else we execute the second statement here. Now, if the first condition here is false, what it does is it jumps to the else statement here. Then we have another set of condition here to test. If the condition is true, we execute this line of code. Otherwise, we go to this statement. So let's look at the implementation of the nested if. So I have here a program that determines the largest value of three inputted numbers. Now, let's look at the code. This section here is our variable declaration wherein we have three variables A, B, and then C. And then we have the fourth one, which is result. This allows us to enter the values of our three numbers. And then this is our condition. If A is greater than B, let's say we have 20 and 10 for our first input. Now, what we do is we evaluate this. If it's true, and then which is true, 20 is greater than 10, what it does is we move to the next set of conditions here. Now, let's say our third example is 3. Then we evaluate the first value of A, which is 20, and test versus 3, which is our value of C. If it's greater than C, what it does is we store the value of 20 here to the result variable, and then it automatically exits the loop. It does not go to this section here anymore, and then print out that the greatest value, or the largest number here is 20. So that's our first example. But if, let's say, we make this one as false, A is A greater than B, let's say A is 10, B is 20, and then 3 is, let's say again, 3, or letter C is 3. What it does is this statement here is false. Then we're going to jump to this section, okay? Then we evaluate again. Is V, which is 20, greater than C? So the answer is true. So we evaluate here so that the value now for the largest number is 20, which is B. Now let's have another example. Let's say A for the first number, 20, and then 30. Is A greater than B? False, though we jump here. Is B greater than C? False. Then we store here C, which is 30. The result is, we store the value of 30 to the result variable, and then output the number is, or the largest number is 30. So let's run our code. Let's remove this one here. Okay. And okay, I think I have to, okay. Let's run the code again. So let's evaluate this statement first. For the first number, we have 20, second number is 10, the third number is 5. There. So the largest number here is 20. So we evaluate, is A greater than B? True. Is A greater than C? True. So the result here is 20, which is the largest number. So let's run our program again. Let's say 20 for the first number, 20 for the first number, 10 for the second number, and 30 for the third number. So the largest number is 30. Is A greater than B? True. Is A greater than C? False. So we store here C to result, and the result here will print out 30 as the largest number. So let's run our program again. Let's go to the else statement now. Let's say 10, on a 10, 20, and then 5. So the output here is 5. Is A greater than B? False. So we will not execute this condition anymore, but rather we go to the else statement here, this one here. Then if B is greater than C, true, then we store 20 to result. Then that gives us the greatest number, or the largest number is 20. And let's have it again. This time let's have 10, 20, and 30. Okay, so the largest number is 30. Is A greater than B? False. We go here. Is B greater than C? False. We store 30 here to result, and then the output is 30. So here's an implementation of nested if in C++. Hope you like the program. Thank you. Bye.